Hey guys, my name is Vianca, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make my go-to drink, the strawberry mojito. I make this drink at home all the time, and this is my personal recipe. All right. First, we're gonna start off by adding the mint. Now we're gonna add 3 lime wedges and 2 cut up strawberries. Now we're gonna muddle. This is the fun part for all of us bartenders. Now we're gonna be adding 2 ounces of whatever rum you have. I like to use white rum. And 1 ounce of simple syrup. You can also use regular sugar. We're gonna fill up our cup with some ice. We're gonna shake it. And last but not least, you're gonna add your soda. And that's how you make my strawberry mojito.